Hi friends, I'm Professor Rushali Jadhav. Today we discuss on isomerism in coordination complex. What is meant by isomerism? Isomers are defined as substances, molecules or ions with same chemical formula but having different structure, and the phenomena is known as isomerism. Now, isomerism are two types. First one is a structural isomer and second one is a stereoisomerism. In structural isomerism, seven types are involved. First one is ionization isomerism, second hydrate isomerism, third ligand isomerism, fourth linkage isomerism, fifth coordination isomerism, sixth coordination position isomerism, and seventh polymerization isomerism. These are the types of structural isomerism. Now stereoisomerism are two types. First one is a geometrical, that is cis trans or position isomerism, and second one is a optical or mirror image isomerism. These are the two types of stereoisomerism. Now we discuss the structural isomerism by one. What is meant by structural isomerism? This is type of isomerism is due to different possible arrangement of atom or groups in their molecule. That means different arrangement of atoms or groups in their molecule. These are the structural isomerism. That means involves in this name. Now types of the structural isomerism. First one type is a ionization isomerism. This name is used to describe isomer that give different ions in their solution. That means in ionization isomerism, different ions are involved in this solution. Two coordination compounds which differ in distribution of ions between those directly coordinated and count the present ion in the this crystal lattice is called as a ionization isomerism. That means total count in a ions in a present in a crystal lattice. This total count is called as ionization isomerism. Now these types of this ionization isomer is a purple or violet color, cobalt, ammonium, pentammonium, bromine, SO4, that means sulfate, is an ionization isomer of the red, and red isomer of this cobalt NH3 BSO4 and Br out the square bracket. These are the ionization isomer. In first complex SO4 minus ion present, and second complex is Br minus ion present. Now second types of this isomerism is hydrate isomerism. This type of isomerism arises when different number of water molecules are present inside outside the coordination sphere. Its result from replacement of a coordinated group by water of hydration. For example, CONH3 4H2O Cl and outside the square bracket Cl2, and second example is a CONH3 4Cl2 outside the square bracket ClH2O. These are the example of hydrate isomerism. Now third types of isomerism is ligand isomerism. Certain ligands themselves can exist in their isomeric form. For example, diaminopropane can exist both, that is 1,2-diaminopropene PN and 1,3-diaminopropene known as trimethylene diamine, that is TN. These are the two ligands isomer. These are isomer types are propane, diaminopropanes are main isomer of this. Now this structure of this propane, then 1,2-diaminopropane PN, and then 1,3-diaminopropane, that is trimethylene diamine, that is TN. The ligand PN and TN when associated into complex, the corresponding complex are isomer of the each other. That means corresponding ions complex are isomer of each other. Now see this picture, center metal cobalt, two ligand Cl minus, and that is another ligand PN is attached to this. Now next example, cobalt Cl to one types ligands, and second types TN that means tri 1,3 diamines propane, that is trimethylene diamine. Now next four types of this isomerisms. Linkage isomerism. This type of isomerism may result whenever a monodentate ligand has two different atoms available for coordination. The linkage between the metal and ligands in one isomer is through one ligand atom and in its isomer through another. That is, one atom is attached to the central metal atom, sometimes second atoms is attached to the central metal atoms. Their example is NO2 minus, SCN minus, S2O3 twice minus, etc. ions. Now this actual complex ion example is NH3 5CONO2 outside the bracket Cl2 and NH3 5 cobalt NONO outside the bracket Cl2. That means in this linkage isomerism, first complex is nitrogen attached and second complex is oxygen attached. That is name of this isomer nitropentaamine cobalt third chloride yellow and nitropentaamine cobalt third chloride red. These are the example of this linkage isomer. Now fifth, coordination isomerism. This type of isomerism is possible when both cation and anion are complex. Both cation and anion are present in a single complex. Coordination isomerism is due to the interchange of ligand between complex cation and complex anion. Now this example of this complex cation and complex anion is cobalt NH3 chromium cyanide 6 and chromium NH3 and cobalt cyanide 6. These are example of this type of isomer, that is coordination isomerism. Now last, coordination position isomerism. Last second one, this is the special type of coordination isomerism. It is shown by bridge complex. It involves different placement of ligands. Now this example of this unsymmetrical and symmetrical, these two types bridge isomer. These are the bridge type or coordination position isomers. Now last, polymerization isomerism. This isomerism occurs in a compound having the same empirical formula but a different molecular weight. That is, in this same molecular formula but different, same empirical formula but different molecular weight. The molecular position are multiplies of the simplest stoichiometric arrangement. Now this example is PTNH2 Cl2 in square bracket 2. That means this compound are two types, and PTNH3 square bracket complete another square bracket PTCl4, that is cation and anion, this type 2 complex. These are the same empirical formula but different molecular composition, different molecular weights. These are the types of this structural isomerism. 7 types of structural isomerism. It's a very simple, only structure are different to each other. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.